Guys, with Gemini 2 Flash's AI, Photoshop is officially dead. You just give it a photo, type what you want, and it'll do anything. Wanna do some photo montage, remove a watermark, change your hair color, switch up the model's style, change the color of your clothes, hug a cat, or even create a whole visual story. It's all doable. Hey everyone, if you're new to the Runino channel, welcome. Here I'll show you the best ways to use AI to get your work done faster. Let's jump into it. Head over to aistudiogoogle.com. First thing you do is go to the right side and switch the model to image generation. So here are some cool practical ways you can use Google's new image generation features today. Imagine you've got an Instagram page selling clothes and you want a specific outfit on a model like this jacket right here. I wrote, make the man in this photo wear the blue jacket from the other photo. Boom. It's perfect. Nailed the blue jacket details. Just so you know, these images come with an AI generated tag from Google itself as a safety thing, which is totally fair. Or imagine you want a pro stock image of a product, but don't have the gear to snap a good shot. Check this out. I picked a photo of my water bottle and here's what I wrote. Can you turn this water bottle image into a professional stock photo with a plain white background? Let's see the final result. Spot on. I can use this anywhere now. Next, I give it another pick. And here's what I wrote for it. Change the color of the pants in this photo to red. I wait for it to finish processing. There you go, red pants. So cool. Then I upload another pic and tell it, show the character from a side angle. I want to see if it can simulate different angles. Boom. Same person, side view, no sweat. Now one more, but from a back angle. Awesome, it can do anything. Or maybe you've got a pic and want to remove people or objects from it. Upload the photo, give it the command, hit run, and it's done in seconds. Perfect. With one simple prompt, it wiped out all the people behind the model in this shot. So cool. Sometimes you've got an image that's not AI generated, you found something on Getty Images or Adobe Stock. Perfect pic. But it's got that annoying watermark. No worries now. I downloaded a pic with a watermark, and here's the prompt I wrote. Please remove the watermark from this image. Check it out, it did it, and it's insane. Now, that was a simple watermark. If you try something trickier with tons of watermarks, the output might get a bit AI rebuilt and not exact. But honestly, it's still better than most dedicated sites out there. Also, this is for educational use, so make sure you respect copyright stuff. Now let's add some stuff. I wrote, put a white cat in his arms. Let's see what it does. Wow, you'd never guess this isn't real. I've covered other AI photo editing tools before. Check out my AI edit playlist. Follow along cause I'm always dropping new editing tools there. Ever had your boss call and ask, where are you? Snap a pic of yourself and tweak the setting with a simple prompt. Here's what I wrote for this one. Change the photo to a selfie in a crowded subway station. Let's see what happens. That's so cool. Now, with the same pic, let's mix it up more. Say change the hair color. I picked the last photo I wrote. Make the hair orange. Not perfect, probably because of the prompt. Quick tip, head to the prompt gallery and it will show you how to write commands, right? Hit save to store your project and you can check all your saved stuff in the library section. Now let's ramp it up and try something harder, like in special effects. I want to make the hand of this person in the photo I gave it robotic. So cool! With Google's new AI, you can easily execute your ideas without any expertise. This time, let's see if it can change the mood on a face. I give it another AI-generated photo and say, change the facial expression of the person in this photo to a happy expression. Let's check if it really works. So cool! It's the exact same photo, same setting, but now he's happy. Now I give it 2 actions to see if it does well, like winking and sticking out his tongue. Amazing. Alright, I save it and hit create prompt. On the page, click on visual story. In this section, it can generate an entire story's worth of images for you. You can also take a story from ChatGPT, specify the image style and send it. It professionally and seamlessly generates each scene. With this section, you can write storybooks, create cool story videos, and upload them to YouTube. There's also a birthday card section for designers. You can give it a text, and it will precisely place that text inside the card you specify. Google's image generation has come a long way, and it has tools that I think cover all your needs. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so more people see it. Thanks! I'll catch you in the next one.